In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert this simple Figma footer design into a WordPress footer using the free Elementor plugin. By the end, you will be able to create any kind of custom footer using the free Elementor theme builder. Also check the timestamp below to jump to any part you need. So let's get started with the video. Step 1, we need a theme and plugins. For this tutorial, I'm using the Hello Elementor theme. Also, I am using 4 free plugins that you need. First one is Elementor theme builder. Second one is Ultimate add-ons for Elementor Lite. Third is Contact Prop 7, and last is Essential add-ons for Elementor. These 4 plugins you need to install for the Figma design. These plugins are required for our designs. 2 plugins you need always required. First one is Elementor plugin and the free footer plugin which name is Ultimate add-ons for Elementor Lite. So I already installed these 4 plugins and the themes. Let's go to our Figma design. So I am here now, Figma design file. And if we look at our designs, the footer, we need to understand the footer layout and structure, also content. Let's go to deep dive. Now if we look, we have a background for our footer, and also the footer has divided by with a one divider. First row has 4 columns with the individual content, and bottom row has 2 columns with the individual contents. That's our structure, and you can call its layout. So this layout we will design in our Elementor. Now let's go to the first row content. First row has 4 columns and each column has individually content. First column has logo and icon contents. Second and third have resource and menu links, and last column has contact form. And also the bottom of first column has copyright text, and also right column has others menu links. Now this is our Figma design and structure, also contents. So now in this step, we need to create the footer. For this, we need to activate Ultimate add-ons for Elementor Lite plugin. So I already activate. Now I am going to Ultimate add-ons dashboard, and if you look here, I already created a footer which is this, and it will show the properly. Okay, I'm going to adding a new footer. So just click the add new button and then write the name of the footer. So since I already created a footer, so I am using another name for this. I am writing footer 2. This is the title. Now we have to select the footer template types. So we need to type footer that we already know, and we have to display entire website. That's it. And now click the publish button. Okay, our footer is created. Now click the edit with Elementor. Okay, I am here, editor dashboard. We need to create the footer structure. Also we'll add the footer content. Let's create a add new container. So I'm select the flex box. Also I'm selecting the 4 columns. It's good. Now I'm going to click the edit container, and now it's go to style. Now selecting the background color, which color is secondary. Okay, here's the thing I did. Figma design has some colors which name is like primary. If you look here, the secondary, and also some kind of name of the color, and this is called accent. Also 4 types of color exist in the Figma file. I added the color as global color. If you need to add as global color, you need to go to the site setting. If you look here, site setting, then this site setting you can add the color as global color. Okay, now also you can add as like, just click here, and if you see the color code, and just unlink the, and then you can select the color code, drop here as color code. Both option available, which you want to use, that's up to you, but I recommend you use site setting. That will speed up your site speed. What we have to do, first of all, if we look our first row column, we already know what we have the column content. So for this, now I'm going to select the first column. In the first column, what we have to add, so we have to add the logo, so which is called site logo. You will find the site logo. Also you have to remind it, this widget created Ultimate add-ons Elementor. Okay, so you will find if you install the plugins. Obviously we install it, and that's how we see the site logo. So just drop here, and you see the site logo. Okay, by default you can't see the logo because you didn't add the site logo. So what we have to do, if I go to the site setting, there is the all design system, theme style, and also site setting. And if you look site identity, I added here site logo, site name. Also if you look here, our global color, that's it, I added here. And also you can add the global fonts here. Okay, I added here. So that's the site setting you can add here. That's our site logo. Now since I already converted this design, so I'm going to copy this design because this is same our design. I will show you to Figma design, no problem, how you can copy the Figma design. So for the tutorial faster, I am here to reference this design. Okay, so what we have to do, just go to width. Okay, so here just go to style and now select the width, the logo. If you hover auto layout width, you can see the width, also height. Okay, also the gap. Okay, so this is like as everything same. So just here I am now here to width pixel 241 and max width 100. Okay, that's it. Now if we go to our design, previous design, it's everything is same. We don't need to add any other things. That's it. Now we have to go to our content. Okay, so for this content, what we have to add, just here add elements. Go to elements and add the text editor into the first column, and now just add the text here from Figma design. Also we need to go to the style, and here we have to add text color as text. Okay, so here just add the text color. This is our text color. You will find from our Figma design. So if you click the text, and you will be see the typography also color. Okay, that's the process. Now what we have to do, just for, since our color is white, so just here add the as white color, and now go to the typography. The typography is text I already add because this is global font color. If you want to see, here is we need to typography enter. Okay, and font family enter, and size 16 and weight 400. That's it. We don't need any other things. That's already here. Now last one is we need to add social icons. So just here add social icons. Just drop the first column, it's showing here. So let's go to our previous design. If we look our previous design, so we have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Let's go. What we have to do, just add here another one is as Instagram. Okay, we need these 4 icons. Now go to style. Okay, let's see shape, our shape square and column auto. Then go to style. Now since we need a custom color as our Figma design, so that's why just add here custom color. And if we look our design, what we have to do, just here primary color as add transparent. That's it. That's our design. And we need to size, we need to add size. Our size is 24 pixel, and also space between 34. So it's between 34. Is that okay? And border type default, everything is looking good. Okay, now that's the thing we already add here, and we already designed our first column. Now we are going to design our second and third column. So for this we need to add title. So here the basic heading, just drop here. And now I am previous our design to copy the, okay, its name is company, so we don't need to copy. You can write here. Our tag is true. And now go to style. Our style typography is enter, and font size is 20, and also weight is medium. Okay, so font family enter, and size 20, and weight 500 or medium. So one more thing we have to remind or need to know, this Figma design all the typography, that means font family same. So just here to add the go to style, and here typography enter, font size 22, and weight 500. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you. If you our design and select the company text, and you will see the typography, and just here the details, and you will see the intermediate and 20. Okay, font size. You can see that as you can see all the design from Figma design and then convert to the WordPress. Okay, so for this now I am here just text color adding as white. We know that. Now so we have a menu links. So just here add search the menu. This navigation menu came from the UAE plugin. So just here drop, and also I added the 3 menu, main menu, footer, and resource. So what you have to do, so go to the appearance and then menu. Up to the menu dashboard, you have to create this 4 menu. From here just create a new menu. So then you have to write here the name, and then you can add here the page names. Okay, I hope you already know that how to create menu, so you don't need to create for this. So for now I am again here just selecting the menu, which is the main menu. Okay, sorry, footer, that's it. and also our layout is vertical. That's it. And go to style, and now if we go to our menu here, layout, if we see alignment vertical, and that's it. And go to style, we don't have fading, vertical fading, horizontal fading, just we have a space between 50. So I'm here just deleting all the fading and just here adding a space between 50. Now what we have to do, text color. So our text color is this text color code, and I added as global color. So here I selected. Now we don't need background color. Also we need to add hover color. So this is our hover color as our accent color. So hover color as accent color here added, and also that we just added the normal hover. And also we need to add the typography. So the typography is enter. Okay, if we see our previous design, and here is the enter 60. Okay, by default is 16 and with 400. That's it. This is our we already designed. Okay, to look our Figma design, we have kept the column between, that's mean the title and menu. So gap between 20. So what we have to do, add here as detach the margin, and now go to bottom and then add 20. That's it. Sorry, yes, 20. So this is our previous design. I didn't add because I just want to show you. So that's for now. Again unlink the margin title and then add 20 bottom. So since our second and third menu, third column same, just what we have to do, copy and drop the second third column, also copy menu and drop the third column, just change the text. So our second text is resource, so I added here resource. Now change the menu, resource menu. That's it. We already added 3 columns content, but if you look here, there is the that's not match our design as our Figma designs, because the second and third column look like same and also gap between them, but first column and the second third fourth column between look like same, but first column the right side has fading, more fading. So we'll do, but first of all I am just adding here as the content. Okay, now what we have to do, last column to add content, we have to add contact form. So we already know that what we have to do. I am going to plugins installed, and now we need to activate the contact form. I already activate. So first of all we have to activate all the plugins, that's it, and then go to the contact form. Okay, now in the contact form, just you have to add one contact form here, add new, or you can, when you add the contact form, you will be see by default one contact form. I just edit the by default contact form here, I name the contact form, and now here just copy it. So just you need to copy this. Okay, just copy. Now after copy, you just save this. After this, when you come to the again the footer menu, sorry, Elementor editor, then charts here contact form, you will be see the contact form, but by default you will not get the contact form 7 because Elementor doesn't provide the free plugins. Okay, we know we are using the free plugins, that's why we already added our essential add-ons. Okay, so just you need to install a plugin, that's it, and then you will be see the contact form 7 widget. So just here drop it, but one more thing we have to add, the title. Just copy here and paste here. Okay, so our title is subscribe. Here just add the subscribe. Now we need to select our contact form. So here go to the content and select from subscribe form. Now it will be show, but we have to design it. For this, now go to style. Okay, so since I already designed, so I'm going to style. So we need to go input and text area. Then the input and text area, we need to add background color as white, and now in the text color add as text color. So since this is our global color, now in the space we don't have any space, but we have a fading top and bottom. Okay, so here I'm detached. Here add top 10, bottom 10, left 20, I think, but we don't need to add right 20. Okay, but and then you need to input width, but okay, let me show you how you can see that. Just here select the contact from input and you can see the width, okay, also the fading and everything, okay. Also you can see the text format, text style, okay. So I'm just here to copy our width, input width 380, now input height 60. Also we need to border type 100, so we don't need any unlink the border type, okay. If you see, it's going through our design, it's like, and also go to the placeholder, yes, placeholder show, and then just add our text color as, and now add typography enter, okay, font size 14 and weight normal. That's it. So our first input is completed. Now go to submit button, and now in the submit button, so since I already designed, so again going to submit button, so we need to add background color. So our background color is accent and text color is black, so yes, primary color is black. Now border type 100 and fading top 15, so just retouch top 15, bottom 15, but left and right 40, okay. So you'll find the Figma design. Now going to typography, so let's our typography enter font size 16 and semi bold, it's okay, but is there any shadow? No, we don't have any shadow, okay. That's we already, that's our submit prompt design and it's look good. Now our first row is completed, but as we know that our structure is not completed, so that's for just click here and go to structure. This will be our footer structure. First is first container, second container, third container, put that as column. Now I'm just here to copy the first container, go to first container, in the first container, and go to style, width is 68, just here add first container with 68 pixel and align item center, then go to the second container with 30, okay. So okay, second container is 30, also I think third container is 30. Now let's go to our first container as width 74, here add width 70, sorry 70, and now it's looking good, but here's the thing, I did a mistake. What I did, we need to add the main container, but in the main container I add as the first row, but let's go to fix. I here add a new container into the first container, just here drop here, and then this first container just here add the place direction row, okay, and then select the second container and drop between the into the first container, okay. Here just drop and you will see the it goes to the first container, and then go to the same goes to the second column, okay, and also third column and also last column. This is, and now this is our first container, and this container it's a flexbox full width, but this is a flexbox boxed, okay. This is our first container. We can here rewrite the name, so this is our footer, your name, and just add first row, okay. It will be show better. Now it's okay, it's looking good, but we'll it going through the our exact design. So here first container gap between 14, so just here add gap between 14. Now let's see, yes, it's our as like our design. If you look here, it's our design. So I see little bit here, we need to adjust our first container 68, but go to the social icons, okay. Let's see our design files and go to logo, social icon, and it's experience 34, but it's not look like our design. Let's see, is it 0, fading 0, Okay, I understand. Due to our fading, it showing more gap, but we fix it here, just 0. Now it's okay, everything is fine. Our first row is completed. Now our design is same, but we have to add one divider. Just here add right divider, and now here drop here, and you will be see. Okay, just here add place vertical. Okay, first row one, that's mean our main container place direction column, sorry. And now let's design our divider. So I'm here, just what you have to do, copy the color code. Okay, I'm here, solid color code this, and weight to, and is gap is okay, gap by default 15. So this is our color code, and now it's looking good. Now one more thing we have to add here, again the container, bottom container. In the bottom container, what we have to do, so just again add the another container. In the container, what we have to add, just we have to add our copyright and text. Okay, so for this now I'm here, just copy the code. Okay, so just here write copyright. Also you will find the copyright text from the UAE around Elementor. So you can see that how is the powerful and how is the give our free widget to complete our footer. So just you can add as your copyright text. But here's the thing, in the first bracket, third bracket, that's our dynamic. Okay, you don't need to change this. For this, like site title, like the bracket site title and current year, that's the dynamic. You don't need to change it, but you just change the other text. I add here as text. Okay, copyright text, and now another text. So if we look our again last container, also we can do better way. Just we don't need first copyright text as container. So what we can add, we add our copyright text as column, and now second column. Okay, we remember I drop the first container text as the first column, but second column. Okay, I'm showing here, it's a better way. Just you what you have to do, just you don't need to container. In the first container, the first bottom row, just add here copyright text. Okay, and then add here again another container. That's it. So the, okay, just change our text bottom row. Now it's looking good. Now here add the layout and place direction row. That's it. Now in the bottom row, second last right column, what we have to add, we have to add this text. Okay, so what we have to do, just add the title, because this text, the title as will be the link page. Okay, so that's why here just add the title text, and now this is title text. So this is the title text, and you can link them as here the link you can keep here. And also typography, if we look our typography, same, just here change the 14 and font normal. And now our text color, obviously we have a text color, that is text color. Now it's looking good. So for this now I'm just copy our title color. Okay, sorry, title, and say drop here, same again drop here, just change the text. Okay, it's same, just change the text color. And now go to the container, that's mean right column, and then place direction row, also justify, and but we don't need last one, the bar. Okay, the alignment bar. And now if we look, our design is okay. Here's the thing, I did mistake, just drop the privacy policy, and last one is drop the privacy policy as middle text, and now it's looking good. Okay, and then add the alignment bar, separate bar. Okay, and then one more thing, just add container with 50. Let's go to container with 50, 100% to 50. Now it's looking good, but here's the thing, we need to add and, but let's see, this with full width, we need to full it 100. Okay, and now that's here is the catch. To bottom row, just have a constant space between, and it will be show. We have to show just have a constant space between, and that's it. And one more thing, we have to add the second row. That's in our last bottom row. Okay, we don't need padding. It's showing good and looking good, and that's the thing. Okay, due to tutorial long, I don't want to keep more long videos, so for this I'm not showing here responsive design. So I will make the separate video for responsive, because if you look here, I am going to convert this Figma design to WordPress for as a complete series. So, and that's it. The Figma footer is now a working Elementor design. If you like to learn how to convert a Figma header into WordPress using Elementor, check out this video. If you have any question, drop a comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching the video.